Remove the tea storage lid and add matcha leaves to the tea storage. Replace the lid. Click the whisk into the designated notch inside the whisking cup. Fill the cup with water up to the desired water level line. Position the whisking cup so that its grooves align with the tray's protrusions. Select your desired matcha strength using the adjustment dial. Press the matcha button to start. The light will glow white. As the mill grinds the tea leaves into matcha powder, the whisk will rotate and mix the shot. The grinding time varies depending on the selected strength. When the process is complete, you will hear a beep and the light will turn off. Your matcha shot is ready.